If you use Monday.com every day, you already know it's a powerful tool, but you've probably hit some frustrating limits, too. That's why we created Inteli-Kit, an app that unlocks everything Monday.com can't do. With smart automations and 4 super useful features, you can extract, sync, calculate, and automate. Yep, all in a single app. 4 simple modules you can activate on any board, and transform the way you work. Let's start with Smart Extract. Say you have a column filled with notes, and inside, there are emails, phone numbers, and dates. But you only need the emails? With one click, Smart Extract pulls out just the data you need. Ready for email campaigns, follow-ups, or reminders. Or maybe your support agents jot down call info in messy, unstructured notes. Smart Extract turns those into clean, usable data. Reflector Sync. Imagine your HR team tracks birthdays on a private board. Reflector Sync lets them copy just the upcoming birthday to the employee directory. Reflector Sync pulls just what's needed to another board, keeping sensitive info private, while keeping the work moving. Logic Lab. Now about formulas. Say you've got a complex formula calculating project progress. Logic Lab saves the result so you can show it in dashboards or weekly charts. Or maybe you track days since last visit. Logic Lab converts that into a real number, so you can trigger alerts when 30 days pass. You can even build formulas directly from the automation center. Cleaner, stronger, more flexible. And for those working with sub-items all the time, Subflow Tools. Imagine each of your clients has sub-items for every invoice. With Subflow Tools, when you mark a sub-item as paid, the amount is automatically added to the parent item's total paid. Or maybe your branches track units sold using sub-items. With Subflow Tools, you can calculate the total per product and display it directly in the parent item, in real time. Trigger it with a status change, a button click, or a value update. All of this, without writing a single line of code in Monday.com. Want to try it? You can get started for free today. Inteli-Kit. Monday.com, but without limits.